Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BabyDogWif token. BabyDogWif, all one word, is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. This token is about to start their pre-sale on pinksale.finance in about 3 days. This token is on the Binance Smart Chain. They have a full audit. We're going to go over the information on the BabyDogWif token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So this is a whitelist only pre-sale, and to get on the whitelist, I believe it involves NFTs, but we're going to go over the whole project here in a second. So it says, popular meme BabyDogWif vibes with friends on chain. Why should you join BabyDogWif? Well, it's got a base dev backed by 9Navi Ventures. They have a link to their webpage, 9navi.ventures. BabyDogWif is going to be leading the baby trends with a low cap of 100 BNB, positive energy, big marketing plans, big partners, 50 plus callers post-launch, and 2% rewards in BNB for NFT holders. Now, they have a full audit that you can check out on PinkSale. They were audited by InterFi Network, and you can view the full PDF of that. So BabyDogWif, all one word, is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. There's 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 1 billion tokens. Now, whitelist only pre-sale with a minimum buy of 0.2 BNB and a max buy of 0.5 BNB. Initial market cap estimate is $44,725. Soft cap for the pre-sale is going to be 50 BNB and hard cap is 100 BNB. And pre-sale is going to start exactly January 29th at 15 hours UTC time, and go for 24 hours until January 30th, 15 hours UTC time. So whatever comes first, 100 BNB or the 24 hours, that's when the pre-sale will be over. Now, if you end up missing this pre-sale, you couldn't get on the whitelist, or you're watching this video way later, first of all, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token, since it's a Binance Smart Chain token, will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the BabyDogWif token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, babydogwif.org. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We'll go over that in a second. And liquidity will be locked for 200 days on PancakeSwap. According to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 61% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 29.55% of the tokens go to liquidity, and 9.44% of the tokens go to central exchange listings. Now, they have a Telegram you could follow at BabyDogWif_BSC, and that has 8,430 members, 674 of them are online. So that's a great place to join the discussion about this project here. So, right in there, pinned tweet here, their top tweet on the x.com right here that's on the screen, which is at BabyDogWif_BSC. It says, BabyDogWif Universe NFT INO. So the INO box is a gift that allows investors who love BabyDogWif to own our NFT with many benefits behind it. It says, be quick because the number of boxes will be limited and the benefits behind NFTs will bring you a lot of profit. Potentially, of course, potentially. So they have a link to mint a NFT, and I was just checking out that page, and there's some pretty cool NFTs. dap.babydogwif.org. It's right in the pinned tweet there. So there's 200 NFTs, and it says it's a whitelist NFT. So it says whitelist, so that's how you would get on the whitelist, by getting one of these NFTs. They show the price for box is 1.5 BNB. NFTs equal whitelist presale, it says. So there's a timer there. There's all sorts of links. Twitter, Telegram, website, DApp. So that's how you get on the whitelist. Usually sometimes there's a whitelist registration button on PinkSale. But for this whitelist, you'd have to get an NFT, and that's in their pinned tweet there. Or you could just go right to their webpage, which is babydogwif.org, and they have a button all over that says DApp. And then you click on that. That'll take you over to the minting DApp, where you can mint an NFT to get on the whitelist. So what is BabyDogWif? Well, it's a baby dog with a hat, obviously. It's a new trend, more suitable, and with more potential for those who miss WIF. You love Baby Dog with a hat? Well, join us. So they have a tweet out here from 9Navi CEO, hashtag BabyDogWif. So they're showing that this person is tweeting out the name. I guess maybe that will promote the token. We'll see. So it's a community token driven by the community and development team who want to accomplish goals. They show step-by-step how to get on the whitelist with the NFTs. So talking about buy BabyDogWif NFT, participate in events, be marketing partners. So they have, it says tax fees are 5%. So if you're going to buy, sell, transfer this token, you may have to set your slippage around 5% because of these taxes. Now, 3% goes to the dev and 2% goes to rewards. It says BNB for holders, so you get reflections in BNB, it says. Now, there are roadmaps on here, starting with phase 1, build the website, build social channels, Telegram, X, build the DApp for the NFTs, audit the smart contract, pre-sale on PinkSale. Phase 2, DexView, PancakeSwap, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, reward BNB for NFT holders, Abe.ai and Dex Tools trending, central exchange listings, launching a launchpad, and then NFT marketplace, and then partnerships, and then last phase, phase 4, more central exchange listings, community DAO, buyback and burn, 3D game release, expand the marketing campaign, collaborations, and more holders. So they got lots of partners on here. Check out the socials. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.